In order to make millions in trading, there is one equation that needs to be at the front and center of your mind. Trading profits is equal to investment amount multiplied by the return on investment. So for example, if you invest $1,000 and the return on investment is 10% annualized, then you would make $100. Before we explore the topic of making millions further, let's have a brief look at what the various web gurus who claim to make millions trading forex and stocks actually reveal about the above equation in their videos.
So Raja, let's say we pick a session, right? Do we pick as many pairs as we want?
Let's say like if I'm able to secure 1-to-1, I'm going to go with 1-to-1. If it goes to 1-to-2, I'm going to be okay with that.
If you watched through this whole silly video, which is supposed to teach you how to make millions, you will see that nowhere does he mention how much money he actually invested to make the imaginary millions in trading.
How much money are you making? Oh, can I ask that question? How much are you making a month?
So
or a day, or what's going on here?
I mean, bro, I've had $100,000 days. I've had $200,000 days. I've had $250,000 days. I day trade and I also own multiple businesses.
Yeah.
Put it on Velos wheels. It's lowered. It's got downpipes to tune. Makes around 850 wheel horsepower.
Here you can see talk of making $500,000 each day overlaid with expensive cars and lifestyle, but no mention of the capital used.
So on average, I was taking relatively big positions during this challenge, which means during the bulk of the challenge, I needed at least $100,000 of buying power. As I grew my account, I had more buying power later on. So there were some trades that were well into the six figures in terms of taking $200,000, $300,000, maybe even $400,000 positions.
The chief warrior from the warrior trading is a bit more honest than others. He mentions sneakily somewhere in the video that for some positions he invested up to $400,000 to make $1 million in trading. So what's the common theme in all of these web gurus? Apart from the fact that they are mostly lying and simply creating super cheesy web marketing, they are hiding a harsh truth. You would need to invest hundreds of millions of dollars in order to make a few millions in trading. Let's explore how exactly. The largest trading firms and banks, which are required to disclose their trading profits and their trading investments each quarter as required by the Securities and Exchange Commission, make about 5 to 15% return on investment annually. If we plug that into the equation above, in order to make $1 million in profits at an annualized return on investment of 10%, you would need to invest $10 million. And it's annualized. That means you would need to invest or actively trade using $10 million for one whole year to make $1 million if you have the skill for it. And yes, that is achievable as proven by the large banks and their traders over the years. So, what's the takeaway here? The takeaway is that almost all the videos with thumbnails stating how I made millions trading are simply lying and misleading traders with fancy cars and luxury lifestyle. That type of misleading social media content is basically their business. In order to seriously learn trading and have realistic expectations, always focus on the following equation. Trading profits is equal to investment amount multiplied by annualized return on investment. And if you can make 20% to 50% return on investment each year, consider yourself a very good trader.